The small town of Clintonville, Wisconsin, has a mystery on its hands. Since Sunday, the residents have been disturbed by booming noises, loud enough to wake them from their sleep.
Last night, hundreds of people attended a public meeting to get to the bottom of the booms. But as Betty Nguyen reports, they aren't any closer to the truth.
It could be the opening scene of a horror film. Here in the sleepy Wisconsin town of Clintonville, something's going bump in the night.
The last few days we've been having booming, shaking noise.
The house is rattling, you can feel the ground rattling, and it's booming all the time, and it's kind of like what's going on, You don't know what's happening.
Clintonville hasn't figured out the source of the booms, but they have checked water, sewer, and gas lines and ruled out mining activity, even military exercises.
Just the unknown is kind of strange, not knowing.
Like any good mystery, clues can be found anywhere. City officials tried some less than high-tech solutions like capturing the vibrations in a coffee pot. That morning, a loud noise was reported at 5 a.m., but the coffee pot came up empty.
Nobody seems to know. Could be terrible, could be bad, could be good, who knows?
What's going to happen? If something really, we don't have any warning, really.
Hundreds attended a meeting at the local high school to find answers.
There may be some reason to believe again that the warm spring could be shifting the granite rock under our community.
Unlike limestone, which could be dissolved by water and collapse into a sinkhole, granite is solid, but there are small cracks that can be filled by water. If underground water levels drop, those cracks could lead to small shifts, resulting in booms.
You feel it beneath you. If you're standing on the yard, you can feel the ground move.
Clintonville will spend an estimated $7,000 to hire an engineering firm to find the source of the booms. But so far, the mystery has only grown.
Do we just kind of go away until this is all settled, or do we stay around and see what happens?
For CBS This Morning, Betty Nguyen.